What's up YouTube, it's Sonae. So today I'm going to be explaining very thoroughly how I do my flexi rod sets. And I'm only looking for the natural look rather than the defined look, but I'm going to do another video on that. So to begin, I create 4 sections and then I take tiny chunks out of those sections. And then I add moisturizer to this chunk, which helps flatten my hair out, so when I put it on a flexi rod, it is very flat. So I just start rolling up on my piece of hair and make sure it's flat on the flexi rod, and then I just close it off. For those who wanted to know, I did use the olive oil style and curl defining smooth and hold pudding for this flexi rod set. While doing this flexi rod set, I also did do a twisting motion with the flexi rod, which also helps give it its natural look. This flexi rod set also only took around 45 minutes to complete, so it's not as time consuming as you may think.
Hating the situation, I'm too tired of facing the feeling I'm craving. This life is amazing, but something is missing. And don't call me crazy, but I feel like living way up in the stars. If I believe hard, I can make it. I'm trying to take a spaceship, there's delay. Raining, I'm wandering alone to places that I've never been. I'm putting my mind in the sky, letting the whole world in. My personality is 92 or 93. Let's get lost up in the past, why don't you spend this day with me? You couldn't pay me to be lazy on this perfect day with you. Thinking of a payment plan as gold standard substitute. Got a blunt or two in love with you. Coping with this juxtapose. Life we keep on living, we're just waiting for the summer June. You wouldn't know what you're missing, left with no one's permission. Writing rhymes in the kitchen while you're changing your clothes. I'm turning smiles to frowns, now nobody's around. So here's a song with some more shitty thoughts I wrote.
I'll be thinking of you while I stare out at the sky. Darling, you're my favorite.
I also do use different flexi rod sizes to give variation in the sizes of the curls. do my Flexi rod sets one last time. So I begin with a reasonably sized chunk of hair that I have, and then I add moisturizer to it, either it's the curl cream or mousse, and then I straighten it by combing it out, which helps flatten it out when I put it on the Flexi rod. And then I start at the ends of my hair, and then I add it to the Flexi rod, and then I go up, and then sometimes I do my twisting motion with the Flexi rod, and then I close it off. So depending on how thick your hair is, you may choose to air dry, but I personally want to blow dry it. So I use a hooded dryer for about 2 hours, and then sometimes I air dry, depending on how much time I have.